Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to find the maximum number in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So to find the maximum value from a column, row or range, we use the max function. We type the max function, select the range, press enter, and the maximum value is found. We can get the same value if we just select the current range and look down at the status bar. But it's best if we don't just find the maximum value but also highlight it so that we don't have to search for it manually. Select the range and click Conditional Formatting. Here we click on New Rule and then use a formula to determine which cells to format. We type this formula. C2 is the first cell of the range and the max function finds the maximum value in this range. Then a lot of comparisons take place until the equality becomes true and the cell with the maximum value is highlighted. Choose a color for the fill, click on Format and select the color in the Fill tab. Click OK, then OK again, and the maximum value is highlighted. And if the value of any cell becomes larger, the formula will recalculate everything and the maximum value will be in another place. But there is also a second way to highlight the maximum value without using formulas. We also select the range and click Conditional Formatting. This time select top-bottom rules and then top 10 items. And you probably already guessed that here we can not only select a single maximum value, but also highlight several of the largest values in the selected range. And in the list on the right, we can choose the fill color. Click OK and selected number of cells is highlighted. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.